later on. But from Nairobi County, cross over to Nakuru County, where former Molo Member of Parliament and a host of Nakuru leaders are currently issuing a statement accusing three former cabinet secretaries, Mwangi Kiunjuri, Henry Rotich, and Energy CS Charles Keter, of an alleged loss of 194 billion shillings over the last 2 years. The leaders are kindly addressing the press. Let's just listen in live.
Yeah, I have a visa on the old one, so when I got to the new one from the embassy, I was asked to work with the two together. So, because the other one got expired and I got popular.
His mission refused to marry with the president's vision. I repeat it again. His mission has refused to marry with the president's vision for the country. And that is why they have been at loggerheads. The president has had to struggle to stop this nonsense from continuing to obstruct his vision for the country. The public has been confused and blinded by the propaganda machinery created and owned by the same culprit with the help of professionals and foreigners. Therefore, we would like to declare without fear that the economy is doing badly. Not because it cannot
We'll be giving you
do
more
better,
details about the happenings of that press conference.